Hi everyone, this is Cindy with Creating with the Heart, and I am back to redo my my destash that I had. So, right in the middle of me doing this video, the doorbell rang, and the person who was delivering, it was just a regular old package, but he like rang the doorbell like 3 times, and so I thought it was something else. So I paused my video thinking I could come back, but I didn't realize that it got all wonky. And so when I got there and just saw it was just like a nothing package from Amazon, I was super irritated. So like he rang that bell like it was serious or something, you know? So it freaked me out. So anyway, that's what happens. I'm redoing this because I can't figure out what to do about it. So I'm just going to redo it. So, all right. It's US only, PayPal only. There is no combining of shipping because these boxes are full. I'm just going to put that out there because, you know, it's a thing. And then I have, so it's just a thing. So it's just easier for me if I put that out up front for you guys, because if I could, I would, because it's less work for me to have less packages, honestly, to prepare. So, okay, so this is box number 1. It is $35. Include shipping. So, so this is a Maggie Holmes paper pad. It's unnamed. I've had it forever. I have used it, but there are still lots and lots of pages in here that have not been used. So that's in there. I also have a full, never used, never opened LOL. And it's completely unused. Perfectly perfect. It's perfectly perfect. It's still sealed. So that's included. Also, I have this kit. It's a freestanding album kit by Bella Boulevard. In this kit, you get the patterned freestanding album. You get a full 6x8 Santa Stops Here paper pad by Bella Boulevard. You get chipboard numbers. You get stickers. You get ephemera. You get cards, and you get washi. So, and Bella Boulevard normally is quite expensive. Also included is this is an undated pre-punched monthly calendar, and I think it also has weekly. And all you need to do is just put the little discs in, and you're ready to go. I mean, you can make a cover for it. That's what I was going to do. I was going to make a cover for it. I was going to put discs in. I was going to use it for work. And I just don't have time. I have something else that I'm going to use that's very similar to this, but I'm going to use that instead of this. Go figure. So anyway, I just don't have time to do every project I want to do. It's just not possible, you know. At least for me, it's not possible. I barely have time in my life. Okay, also included is a full Snow and Cocoa ephemera, never used. The Chamel box of crayons, ephemera, never used. Good Vibes ephemera, never used, brand new. The American Crafts Journal Studio, this ephemera, never used. Cute little sticker. The Stampin' Up Tag Punch. And these 2 Momenta punches. So let me go ahead and I like to, as much as possible, I like to get everything packed and ready to go. It just makes my life easier. Okay, so that is box number 1. It's $35 shipped. Now we're on to box number 2. This is also $35 shipped. Most of the stuff is brand new product. Occasionally there will be a few things I've used, I think, but for the most part, I think this one might be all brand new product. I just, like I said, don't have time to do everything. So, you know, I got to do what I got to do. Hit it out. After a while, once you've had it for a while, if you haven't used it, you know, you'll never use it. Cozy Christmas, this chipboard, it is new. This piece just popped out. They pop out. That's just a natural thing. I thought about keeping this next one because that new Hocus Pocus is coming out next year. Hocus Pocus 2. And this would be really fun to do something with that, but I decided to let it go. It's a full Echo Park kit, never used. And then this is a Darling Dearest kit by Paper Studio, never used. Really cute kit. It has paper, it has alphabet stickers, it has these little enamel hearts, and then it's got cute little ephemera. I thought about just making like cards with it, but I let it go. This is My Mind's Eye Blast Off Paper and Accessories Kit. It's completely new, never used, and it includes the sticker sheets there. Let's see. Winterberry. I have the Winterberry kit, never used. I also have the chipboard for the Winterberry. This is My Mind's Eye. And then I have the paper pad and the ephemera. I also have this American Crafts stickers. Then these stickers. And then these Good Vibes stickers. I have this American Crafts Hooray. This is really cute, and I was super tempted to keep these little planners because I actually have there's a paper pad that goes with it that I have somewhere, Fiber Reflections, and I was going to make a little traveler's notebook with it, you know, with that paper, but I think this is so cute. So these are all, this would be like, you just make a cover for it and you have a little, you have your planner set up. And then these kind of go with it because they kind of go with that paper by Reflections. So, you know, it's all a thing. I just don't have time. Gotta let it go. It's number 2 and it is $35. Now we're on to number 3, which is also $35. Okay, so let's see. For this, which is Market Street, it's never been used. It's just the little piece like popped out. They pop out. They do. They pop out. This has never been used. It's just this has been ripped, but it's all perfectly there. Trust me, I've never used it. It's the Blast Off by My Mind's Eye with the sticker sheet. And to that one in a second. I have this Oh What Fun. I just have 2 of them. I really like this one. I kept the other one because I do like it. Maybe I'll use it, but not this time. Rainbow paper by Lawn Fawn. It's a whole thing of it. Poised Authentique full kit. Never used. Let's see. I've got this one, which is Chase Rainbows Paper Crafting Kit by Paper Studio. Never used. Includes gems, stickers. This one has like dimensional stickers. It's a whole kit. That's nice. I've got this one. I debated keeping this, but I'm just not probably going to use it this year or right now. I don't know. So, brand new, never used. It's the Jen Hatfield Homemade. And those are chipboard stickers. And then I have Yuletide. Let's see. I have a lot of this jingle. So I have jingle chipboard, jingle cards, jingle paper. This is all new stuff. Cozy and Bright. Never used paper pad by Pebbles. These little stickers. I have Remarks. La la la. And then this is like a holly and berry punch, like a border punch. It's cute, but I got a lot of punches. Okay, so there's that. And then number 4 is $30, and it is Stampin' Up! Paper, and it is pretty much the rest of my Stampin' Up! Paper that I have. Pretty much. I think I've got a few sheets that I'm keeping because, you know, I can use them. Okay. This is the last one. I I just need like thinner cardstock to cut in my Cricut and so on. So that's why. Okay, this is Wasabi. This one is Kiwi Kiss. This is Bashful Blue. This one is Pink Pirouette. This one is Baja Breeze. This is a... So, I've got more. Oh, hold on. I've got this one, which is like a variety pack. And this one, which is also a variety pack. And then I've got all of this. So it's forest green, Kelly green, like a bashful blue, pink, and I don't know, raspberry kind of color. Okay? So all of that. It's like perfectly in the medium box, flat rate box. Okay, last one, number 5. This one is $32, and it has brand new product in it. I mean, like some brand new stuff. Okay, so in here we have, which is brand new, this, which is Little B, Happy Birthday to You, die set, Fantasy Sizzix die set, never used at all, brand new. I used this like twice. It's a house. And let's see, this is from last year. I never used it. It's Naughty and Nice Elves. It's a pretty big stamp set. I think it's 6x8 or something like that. It's big. And then also includes the dies. So that's a really good deal. And then this one, I just never used it. Gorgeous Squirrel Mermaid one. I've got more of a use it or lose it attitude, or I'm trying to, because I also have a hoarding attitude. I hoard everything, so I don't know. I don't think I use this. I think this is brand new because I have 2 of them. And I happen to love these movers and shaker dies by Tim Holtz. I like the little mini ones. They're really great for embellishments or just die cutting and embellishing. And I don't know. I think they're really cute. And I don't know how you get the little numbers. And it shows us like, I don't know. I wonder if there's a numbers set that goes with that. But anyway, I have a lot of number dies, so I could just kind of do that my own self. And then these are Cuddlebug dies, and they will fit in your die cutting machine. I mean, except for those new like teeny tiny mini ones, I don't know if they'll fit in those, but they fit in my Cuddlebug, and they fit in my Sizzix, and they fit in my Spellbinders. That's all I have. But this is like it is a long tag, and then the numbers, and then I have, it's large and small, capital, large, capital, and small letters. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, the rest of the numbers, and a small tag. I needed to do that for myself. Make sure I have them all. That one is number 5, and it's $32. And so just email me at scoop71@yahoo.com. Let me know what you want. Please pay right away. I'll have these boxed ready, and they'll go out in tomorrow's mail. I'll have my mailman pick them up tomorrow. All right, that's it. Thank you for watching. Cindy the Korean Heart.